Canva is undeniably among the internet's most popular tools today. However, while it boasts millions of users, only a fortunate few possess the know-how to turn this free graphic design tool into a money-making machine. In this video, I will share straightforward methods for earning money on Canva without requiring any advanced skills or qualifications. Let's delve into it. Making money on Canva is more straightforward than you might think. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and a dash of creativity to generate hundreds of dollars every month. Most of these online business ideas are beginner-friendly, while some may benefit from connections and initial investments. Well, let's explore them. Number 1, craft and market Canva templates. One of the easiest ways to earn passive income through Canva is by selling Canva templates online. Creating an account, designing various templates, and selling them can potentially earn you up to $100 per day. Creating an account, designing various templates, and selling them can potentially earn you up to $100 per day. Start by deciding the type of templates you want to create, such as social media posts, presentations, client materials, newsletters, or ebook covers. Then utilize Canva's creator mode to design eye-catching templates with customization options. After creating samples, you can sell them individually or in bundles on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, Create Market, or Teachable. You can even build a thriving Canva template business by promoting your designs on your own website. Number 2, design and sell printables. Monetize your Canva skills by selling digital printables like coloring pages, planners, and stickers. Gather inspiration from Canva's pre-made templates to create your unique products with appealing designs. Sell these printables on platforms like Etsy or establish your brand for marketing. Consider partnering with bloggers or YouTubers to offer custom digital downloads for a commission on each sale. Number 3, launch a print-on-demand business. Creating an online merchandise store from scratch can be lucrative, but print-on-demand offers potentially higher returns with less risk. Select your merchandise niche, design various items using Canva, and export them to print-on-demand stores like Printify, Printful, or Sellfy. When customers place orders, these vendors handle the printing, packing, and shipping, while you earn a commission. Number 4, design logos for small businesses. Utilize your creativity and Canva's features to create logos for small startups, potentially earning up to $40 or more per logo. Build a portfolio with a few logo samples and search for clients on freelance platforms like Upwork, Design Crowd, and 99 Designs. Gradually pitch your designs to medium and large enterprises willing to pay higher rates for quality logos. Number 5, create ebooks for Amazon Kindle. If you enjoy writing or working with books, use Canva to design ebook covers. Platforms like Upwork and 99 Designs have authors seeking graphics designers for ebook covers, illustrations, and more. Alternatively, write your ebook on a topic you're passionate about. Design a cover and self-publish it through Amazon Kindle or Apple Books to earn commissions on sale. Number 6, start an online Canva course. Share your Canva experience by creating or selling online courses. Develop courses content for beginners, advanced users, or both, and publish it on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Skillshare. Promote your courses through paid ads or collaborations to grow your followings and boost your income. Number 7, create social media posts for businesses. Brands seek skilled designers to create engaging social media posts. Research and approach potential clients or use freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to find social media design gigs. As your client base grows, consider offering social media management services to expand your portfolio and earnings. Number 8, sell your design skills on freelancing website. The fastest way to make money with Canva is by offering graphic design services on freelancing platforms like 99 Designs, Fiverr, and Design Crowd. Start by creating profiles with samples and testimonials, and gradually specialize in specific services as you build a positive reputation. Number 9, publish Canva tutorials on YouTube. If you are proficient with Canva, consider creating YouTube tutorials to share your expertise. You can monetize your channel through ads, sponsored content, affiliate programs, merchandise, and courses. Focus on creating engaging content with attractive visuals and effective promotions to grow your channel's following and earnings. With patience and experimentation, anyone can transform their Canva skills into a viable side hustle or even a full-time job replacement. That wraps up our tips for today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more valuable insights.